Kids Learn Zone. The Curious Kitten and the Colorful Garden. Once upon a time, in a little village, lived a curious kitten named Mono Billy. Mono Billy loved exploring and discovering new things. One sunny morning, Mono Billy decided to venture into the nearby garden. As Mono Billy entered the garden, she saw a world of colors she had never seen before. Bright red roses, vibrant blue forget-me-nots, and cheerful yellow sunflowers filled the garden with a rainbow of hues. Mono Billy's eyes widened with wonder as she hopped from one colorful flower to another. Just then, a wise old butterfly named Benny landed nearby. "Hello there, little kitten," Benny greeted with a flutter of his wings. "Are you enjoying the beauty of the garden?" "Yes, indeed," exclaimed Mono Billy. "The colors are amazing. I've never seen anything like this." Benny smiled and said, "Each flower in this garden is special. They may look different, but together, they create a masterpiece of nature's art." Mono Billy nodded, intrigued. "I want to be a part of this masterpiece too," Benny chuckled. "You already are, young one." Your curiosity and excitement add to the beauty of this garden. From that day on, Mono would visit the colorful garden often. She would watch the flowers sway in the breeze and listen to the stories Benny told her about the importance of diversity and harmony. And so, the curious kitten and the wise butterfly formed an unlikely friendship, teaching each other V. And there you have it, a short kid's story about curiosity, friendship, and the beauty of diversity in a colorful garden. Thank you for watching.